Welcome! In this video, I will share the checklist to create a birthday party. This checklist will guide you step by step from the early stages of planning to the final touches on this big day. Let's start with the first part, 8 to 6 weeks before the party. The early stages of planning are all about laying a solid foundation. At this point, you'll be making key decisions that will shape the entire event by setting your budget, choosing a theme, and determining your guest list. 4 to 3 weeks before the party. With the basic in place, it's time to start bringing your party to life. Send out invitations, plan the menu, and organize activities will make your vision tangible. This is when your team starts to shine. From the cake design to all the decorations. 2 to 1 weeks before the party. As the party date approaches, it's time to focus on finer details. Prepare party favors, create a playlist, and plan the flow of the entire event. Around 3 to 1 day before the party, it's almost party time. Decorate the venue, pick up the cake, and prepare drinks. With everything in place, you can relax, knowing that you're ready to host a fantastic celebration. And last but not least, the day of the party. It has finally arrived and all your hard work is about to pay off. As you finalize the setup and do last minute checks, remember to enjoy the process. Once the guests arrive, your role shifts from planner to host. Don't forget to capture these special moments. They'll be cherished memories for years to come.